Let me show you how you can create a website using ChatGPT in just few minutes. Just easy step. Let's go. So the first thing you want to do is to type chatgpt.com and let it load up like this. So once you have a ChatGPT open like this, as you can see on the screen, once you have it open like this, the next thing you want to do is to make sure you either sign up. If you don't have an account with ChatGPT, then you have to register. Once you're done registering, then you're going to come to this particular place here and open it. Then the next thing you're going to do, once you are here, you open this place, then you click on GPTs. So in some cases, you might see explore ChatGPT. So, but in my own here, I'm having GPTs. So I'm going to click on it. So once you click on it, then this is what you are going to get. So in this case now, I'm going to click on website. I'm going to type website generator. So we're going to type website generator. So, and just make sure that you are going to select the first one that is going to show up. So this is website generator, and then we're going to select this particular first one here. So make sure you're selecting this first one. So once you select this first one, then this is website generator. You're going to click on start. So we click on start to proceed, and then you have this. So in this particular place, I'm going to put in my prompts. So the prompt that I want to use to create the website is what I'm going to type here. So I'm going to type my prompt. You can have your prompt written down already. So this is my prompt: e-commerce website for prsruya.ng. It has to be a tech store that sells phones, laptop, and accessories, etc., cable wires, and so on and so forth. So I can just decide to say, okay, maybe phone and accessories alone. So once you have this, then you want to send. So you click on send and wait for ChatGPT to generate your website right up. So once this is done, you're going to get this website, this particular link. Now you see this particular link here, you're going to get it. So click on it. So once you click on this place, it's going to show you where you are just going to fill out the details, name, email address, and that's all. So once you're done filling that, you click on generate. And once you click on generate, you're going to get the website. So this is the website ChatGPT created for us. So and you can edit this website in simple steps. So as you see here, this place is written smartphone X90. So I'm going to change it to smartphone X9. So when you want to edit, just click on it. Once you click on it, then it will come up to where you can edit. So smartphone X1. So once I click on smartphone X1, now you see this is smartphone X1. So that is how to edit every single thing. You can edit, you can change the picture by clicking on replace. So once you click on replace, you're going to change this particular image and impute the image you want to actually put in this particular place. So you can also add your own image. If you have more to add, then you can do that. So the next thing you're going to do is to click on publish. Once you are done editing, click on publish, and then your website is ready. Don't forget to like this video and follow me for more tips like this.